I told you, stay there. Stay there. I'm not joking, Pico. I'm not joking. Out. Out.
I'm hungry.
Out.
I'm hungry.
Yes. That is not your food. That is Gloria food. Your food is there in the kitchen, not here. Stay. When I said stay, stay. I'm not joking with you. I'm not joking. Eat there, Gloria. Stay. I told you stay. You're spoiled now. Stay. Pico. How many times stay? Stay. You are so spoiled now. I'm not really funny of you, huh? Shh.
I think.
Finish?
I'm
Are you finished eating your food? Not yet. Stay. Oh, Bo!
hungry peacock.
Gloria is still hungry. That is not your food.
A hungry peacock.
Every time I'm making...
I'm
Yes.
hungry.
Yeah, eat, Gloria, because Pico will go there and then after Pico will eat your food. Are you staying? Yes, Pico? Don't make reason. Okay? You are so spoiled dog now. Gets? Stay. 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 Raisin? Gloria, go there because Pico will come in to you. Finish? But you're not finished your food. See? Pico will come. Pico, stay. 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 Don't ever get the food for Gloria. It's not for you. If I said not for you, it's not for you. Okay? Okay? You're so spoiled, huh? I need you to discipline. Get your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy. You want to play? Get your toy. Where is your toy? Get your toy. Get the toy. Where is your toy? Get your toy. No, it's okay. He can get Gloria. Get your toy. Come on. Get your toy. Get your toy, Pico. Pico.
Here, peacock. Here.
It's okay. Pico, get your toy. We will play. Bye-bye. We will go out now. Get your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy. Where is your toy? Nakabubo na talatag ang Pico. Get your toy. Get your toy.